Yo, what's up, listeners, and welcome to welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another TikTok tutorial, which is no surprise. You guys obviously seem to like when I post these types of videos, so I thought, well, why not make another? Today we're going to be doing the twin/clone effect, whatever you want to call it, but the main idea is there is more than one of yourself in the video without there actually being more than one of yourself in real life. It's very simple to do. The only apps that you're going to need are TikTok, obviously, and VideoStar. This also isn't strictly for TikTok, I guess, so you don't need to have it, but it's just how to make there be two of yourself. Alright, so you're going to start by going into TikTok, which you can follow my TikTok, by the way. You're just going to film a random... and you're just going to save it to your drafts, like that, and... I don't know. Well, I guess actually you're not gonna save it to your drafts. I lied, I'm sorry. You're gonna go, who can view this video? Friends. And then you're gonna make sure you have save to album checked and post it. Oh shoot, not friends. I am so stupid. Private. Why, Will? Why can't you just film a YouTube video without messing up every 4 seconds? Make sure it's on private unless you want your friends to see this dumb draft. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and delete that so that all the people who follow me on TikTok are gonna be like, So, now that's deleted. We're gonna go over to VideoStar, and you're gonna go new project with the portraits, portrait style, and select song, go over to videos and recently added, and click make video. Anyway, then you're gonna click import video, and you're gonna import that same draft. And now, the actual tutorial starts. That's just to get the sound. Alright. So you're gonna need to find a tripod or a steady surface to set your phone up on. My surface is not the best, but it's just gonna have to be right here, and I'm sorry about that. And make sure you get it in a place that's like pretty stable, you know? Anyway, I have my phone there. We're gonna click new and then record video, and then there I am. Hello. Alright. And then what you're going to want to do is picture like an imaginary line down the screen here, because if you stand in, like, if I'm standing here, what we're going to basically end up doing is like splitting the screen in half, so you won't be able to see your twin. So I'm going to try to stand to this side, and we'll go here. Just gonna do whatever you want. Okay, so now we have one recorded. I had no idea what to do. And then we're gonna make another recording on the other half of the screen. Record video. Okay, and make sure you don't move anything like in between. I realized like I got on the bed and I was like, oh, that's kind of stupid because the sheets might look different. Like for an example, I have like my hat here. Like I wouldn't want to like pick this up and throw it off because it would look weird if I split it. Alright, hello guys, this is Will editing. I've been trying to get this video to work for like the past 45 minutes and I cannot figure this out. I don't know if I hit something, I don't know if my computer's just being stupid, but it will not let me like delete or move the screen recording. So for the next like 45 seconds, it's just gonna be me with the screen recording over my face, and then I'm gonna finally realize that I need to like scoot over, and I'll move eventually, but I just wanna, like, I'm sorry, and like in some of these clips I'm like talking and it's just like over my face, I'm sorry. Alright, so we're gonna click multi-layer, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our first clip this, and our second clip this. On our second clip selected, you're gonna click add mask, and go to shape, and you can go to all the different shapes that you can select, and we're going to go with the fuzzy rectangle. Now move it over and make sure that none of your body parts, you know, hit the fuzz, if that makes sense. Then you're going to click done, and wow, would you look at that? Flawless. So if you want, you can then go over it, you can click create, and you can go over with like a preset or something just to make it look even more realistic. But if you keep your camera in the same place and you filmed on, like, I'm using a ring light, and I think that that's a better idea than like natural light sometimes, because the sun can just randomly disappear or change or switch positions. The earth is spinning, guys, and that doesn't always work to your advantage when you want to film TikToks. So anyway, here is the final product. Not that great. Oh god. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna try to make this part quick, but subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 8,000 subscribers. We're close-ish, but I'd love if that happened. Help blow this video up by sharing it with a couple friends, subscribe, like, comment, etc. If you do want to see more TikTok tutorials, I'm like 30 something on my channel, and I have how to fix if you can't go live stream. I have how to make an audio on Musical.ly or on TikTok, because I used to be an audio account. Get on the For You page. I have how to do transitions like Caleb Finn. The main idea is that I've made almost every TikTok video possible and I'm running out of ideas. So please, if there's anything else you want to know, comment down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video again. Give it a thumbs up. I love you all. If you made it all the way here, you're a true Wilster. And merch link in description, other socials link in description, my Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram are all at Will13Official. So you all have a great day. Adios.